Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this short video, I want to show you how I use the Pampered Chef quick cooker, pressure cooker, to make my own homemade broth. Today what I'm making is a chicken broth. And so it's very simple, and here's what you do. I remove the cover to the quick cooker, and inside there is a stainless steel pot with its 6-quart capacity. Now what I have done is I have here 2 frozen chicken bones and skins that I saved from chickens that I had previously cooked, for example, roasted in the oven in the deep covered baker. So what I will do is I will take this mass of bones, which are frozen, and put it into the quick cooker. At this point, I will add some water. So this right here is 2 quarts of water. I'll just pour it in over those frozen chicken bones. And because I do have 2 chickens in here, I'm going to add a little bit of extra water, so approximately 2 cups more. So we have our water added to our chicken bones and chicken skin, and now I'm going to add some salt. So basically you'll be adding 1 teaspoon per 8 cups of water. So I'm just going to add a little bit extra for that water that I added. It's so easy. At this point, I just simply am going to put the lid on and choose the custom setting on here, and then set it for anywhere between 60 minutes or 2 hours. Now, why would we want to cook something as long as 2 hours? Well, the old-fashioned traditional way that housewives and cooks did their broth was they would put it on the stove. And they would call it back burnering it, and they would let it simmer for around 24 hours. And I used to do my chicken broth that way, but I love doing it this way because I don't have to heat up the kitchen and it doesn't have to take as long. So when I am done, then I will let the pressure cooker cool just a little bit, release the steam, open it up, and then I will pour the broth, straining it into a large stainless steel bowl, using, for example, the Pampered Chef stainless steel bowls, and let it cool slightly before I package it into quart Ziplocs and freeze it. If you are going to use it right away, you can put it into a mason jar, and in that case you want to leave the lid off the mason jar, put it in the refrigerator, let it cool, and then cap it. And the fat that is in the chicken bones and in the skin will rise to the top, and that will actually create that with that fat at the top, up like a preserving of the broth, so you can easily hold it in your fridge for a week. So that's how I make my homemade, very nutritious and delicious broth with the Pampered Chef quick cooker pressure cooker. It really does change your life.